Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting sanitary and efficient. Wash hands and sterilize all contact parts for 5–10 minutes to prevent contamination. Once done, assemble the pump. Connect the correctly sized flange, membrane, valve, tubing, and bottle so seals sit snugly. Make sure the unit has battery or AC power and set suction to a low starting level, about 0. 5–1 on the dial so your body can acclimate. This prevents discomfort and establishes a steady baseline for effective expression. You position the flange so the nipple is centered and the areola sits comfortably. Create a gentle seal without pulling skin into the tunnel. Start the pump in stimulation mode for 2–3 minutes to mimic a baby's fast initial suckling, then make small suction increases while monitoring comfort. Once milk flows, change to expression mode and maintain a steady rhythm. Continue 15–20-minute cycles per breast. If flow slows, try brief pauses or slight suction adjustments to sustain output and comfort. You end the session by turning off the pump, then gently breaking the seal before removing the flange so you avoid sudden suction. Pour expressed milk into labeled storage containers and refrigerate or freeze per guidelines. Clean and sterilize all parts immediately and let them air dry on a clean rack to prevent mold. If you experience pain or low output, make sure the flange size is correct. Inspect tubing for kinks or leaks, and adjust suction in small increments to improve comfort and flow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.